India's defence story is undergoing a quiet transformation. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke again this week of the world being attracted to a new Made in India military power. From relying heavily on defence imports to rolling out impressive indigenous systems that came into focus during Operation Sindoor, India has come a long way.
Operation Sindoor. One big takeaway among many was indigenously developed defense systems that played a pivotal role in safeguarding India. Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India in the strategic defense sector, is more than manufacturing at home. It's about fostering an ecosystem of innovation, design and development.
भारत की सेना ने जो लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया था 100% अचीव किया। आतंकियों के आकाओं के घर में जाकर के 22 मिनट के भीतर भीतर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के तहत उसको जमींदोज कर दिया गया। और मैंने बिहार की एक कार्यक्रम में इसकी घोषणा की थी, जो हमारी सैन्य शक्ति ने बहुत ही कम समय में सिद्ध करके दिखा दिया। और इसमें मेड इन इंडिया सैन्य शक्ति का ये नया स्वरूप, इस पर भी दुनिया बहुत आकर्षित हुई है।
The commissioning of INS Nistar into the Indian Navy earlier this month has been the latest of multiple milestones. The 10,500-ton vessel equipped for deep-sea diving and submarine rescue missions is the outcome of a collaboration of 120 micro, small and medium enterprises. It has over 80% indigenous content and will make India a preferred submarine rescue partner of the region. A long list of indigenously developed defense systems had a big role in safeguarding India in the Sindoor conflict. The Akash Tir automated air defense and reporting system achieved a 100% kill rate against drone and missile attacks. It is India's first AI-powered war cloud integrating radars and sensors. Going forward, the DRDO is actively working on advanced variants to enhance its overall capabilities and extend operational range. The BrahMos missile was initially built through a joint venture with Russia. It is now largely indigenized. The supersonic cruise missile with a range of 1,500 kilometers played a key role in recent precision strikes. India can produce 80 to 100 BrahMos missiles and 100 to 150 next-gen variants annually. The Drone Detect, Deter and Destroy D4 system, built partially by the DRDO, played a huge role in spotting and neutralizing threats in real time. It used both soft-kill jamming and hard-kill laser systems. There were others too, the Sky Striker, the Integrated Air Combat and Control System IACCS and more that made a mark. The results are visible on multiple fronts. India's defense production has almost doubled to touch 146,000 crore rupees in 2024-25 from 74,000 crores in 2016-17. Defense exports are up 16 times over 2016-17 to touch 23,622 crores in 2024-25. Over 100 Indian companies are exporting to 100 plus countries today. In a scenario where India perceives a threat on multiple fronts, indigenously manufactured arms is part of building strategic autonomy, while securing a place as a significant player on the global stage.